Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Check the time, 10:33 in the morning. You guys heard the song from Denmark, Anak ni Luning Ning from 1991 Friday Rewind song. That song brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Get ready to reach new heights with Royal Duty Free Summer Raffle, where sky's the limit. March 16 to May 25. Every 500 peso purchase earns you an e-raffle coupon. So elevate your chances with your gold Royal Privilege card. And by purchasing from the sponsor products with up to 700,000 pesos worth of prizes. Check it out, Royal Duty Free's e-raffle, summer e-raffle promo. Visit Royal Duty Free stores 1 and 2 now and visit their social media pages for more details. Plus the official website, www.royalsubic.com, where the catalog, the Royal Catalog, is always posted. You may also call them up, 252-3258. And also, guys, don't forget the part of the Labor Day celebration in the Subic Bay Freeport is the Human Cross, Green Cross formation happening today, this afternoon, 4:30 onwards at the Remy Field, to be followed by a Zumbathon. Plus, we got exhibitors there that will be giving away freebies for everybody. Yung mga pupunta po, may mga free gifts na matatanggap from the exhibitors that will be participating in the Zumbathon and the Human Green Cross formation. And don't forget, if you're gonna attend, if you're gonna be part of it, wear a green shirt, as we will be they will be taking an aerial video of the Human Green Cross formation, which symbolizes labor, which symbolizes workplace safety and health. Okay, occupational safety, that is. And right about now, we have here at the station batch number 2 of the LaSalle College of Antipolo. Ayan. So, alam ko na yung sekretong malupit ng school nyo kasi may nauna eh, no? Sekretong malupit ng school nyo, paakyat. Up all the way, di ba? Uphill eh, no? Papunta, pataas, tapos pauwi, pataas pa rin. Ewan ko saan uuwi yun, ba't pataas pa rin? Walang pababa, no? Pero, yeah. Yung uphill na yun, nilalakad lang yun o pwede ring sasakyan? Pwede naman. Pwede naman, no? Okay. Alright. May uphill kasi kami dito. Puro sasakyan, puro hagdanan. Lalakarin mo talaga. Uphill talaga. Oh. Okay. Same. Grade 11, STEM. Ano? Grade 12. Yung kanina grade 11 or? 12 din yun? Ang gulo ko kausap, no? Kasi the last week may mga grade 11 na nauna yata sa inyo. Oo nga naman, mauna yung 11 sa 12, di ba? Parang abnormal pag nauna yung 12 tapos 11 yung sumunod, no? So, grade 12 na to, patapos na tayo sa K2-12, no? After nito, college na. Yan. Anong mga iti-take up yung course? Pare-pareho rin ba kayo? Based on iba-iba, no? Kanya-kanya. Pero I heard hindi na dito sa LaSalle College of Antipolo ang magiging, nyo, ibang school na, no? Dahil, yeah. Okay, medyo nalito lang ako kasi ang tawag LaSalle College eh. Pero wala palang college. Pero you got elementary school, tama? Elementary, high school, and then yung senior high. Oh, okay. Now I get it. I totally get it now. So, since pag-graduate na kayo, no? Pag umalis na kayo ng LaSalle College of Antipolo, anong mamimiss nyo sa school? Ulitin mo nga, sir. Lapit ka sa mic. Yeah.
Yung tao po yung mamimiss ko sa school.
Yung mga tao.
Opo, yung mga kaibigan ko po.
Siguro friendly ka, no? Hindi ka friendly, oh. Pero yung tao kagad mamimiss mo, pero hindi ka friendly, no?
Hindi po.
Parang naguluhan ulit ako dun. Okay. Pero anong meron sa school nyo na wala sa ibang school? Na parang, yun talaga. Doon, babalik pa rin sa pataas talaga, no? Pataas, yan. Siguro pwede yung maging motto yung no? LaSalle College, the only way is up. Tama. May kasama kayong faculty, no? Tama, sir, no? Pwede, no? LaSalle College of Antipolo, the only way is up. Kasi paakyat talaga eh, no? Every day, the only way is up. Tapos mura na, nauutang pa. Speaking of mura na, nauutang pa, kamusta kantin nyo? Masarap pagkain?
Opo.
Meron ding promo na gano'n, mura na, nauutang pa. Wala. Okay. So if you're gonna talk to somebody who's gonna enroll siguro. Hindi nga pala college, no. Sa college yun nasa isip ko. But anyways, ano yung pinaka masarap na activity sa school lagi na inaantabayanan ninyo? Na you're always looking forward to? Meron ba? Pero recess? That's on a daily basis, no? Pero yung ano lang, yung one time, big time na once a year siguro? Or periodically, twice a year?
Field trip po at
Field trip.
saka foundation day po.
Field trip and foundation day. Oh, ito na nga yung field trip, no? Isa lang ba ang destination? No? Subic Bay, Freeport lang? Or may iba pa? Saan yung next nyo?
Sa safari po.
Hindi, I mean, other place. Subic Bay, Freeport, dadaan pa ba ng, halimbawa, ng Baguio? Dadaan pa ba ng...
Hindi na po.
Kasi yung ibang nag-field trip ngayon, ganun eh, no? Parang Eras Tour na ni Taylor Swift eh. Bumabayan-bayan eh. Nakakaingit yung mga field trip ngayon eh, no? Nung panahon ng lolo ko, ano, ang field trip namin noon, ano lang, paggawaan ng Crayola tapos uwi na. Wala pang pre-coloring book. Yeah. Okay, pero after dito, sabi nyo sa Subic Safari ang next destination nyo? Tama ba ako?
Yes,
Yeah. Uy, masarap doon sa Subic Safari. Okay. They have their ongoing promo na pinopromote din natin dito, yung Night Safari. Ayan, panggabi. Try nyo yun. Siguro one time pag bumisita kayo sa Subic, every summer yun eh, every weekend or every Saturday. Yung Night Safari kasi, ha? Yeah, weekends nga. Oo. Well,
Sige.
hindi, I mean is
bukas.
pag may plano kayo ng family ninyo na pumunta sa Subic, try nyo yon yung Night Safari. Tsaka may promo sila dati na ano, Running with the Tigers, bahala na akong abutan. Promo. Yun yung title ng promo. But napaturo kayo sa kanya?
Papakainin po kasi namin siya sa mga tigre.
Running with the Tigers. No? Kaya lang tapos na yung promo na yun, sayang eh. No?
Ay, sayang.
Ang ongoing yata, swimming with the alligators. You get to feed them.
Ikaw yung pagkain.
With yourself. Okay. Alright, so sige, I'm not gonna hold you long dahil Subic Safari pa yung next, no? Naku, ang sarap dito sa Subic. Enjoy Subic. Yung nga lang, higpit sa disiplina. Natikitan ba yung driver nyo? Hindi. Okay, good naman. Baka, sanay na alam na niya siguro his way around Subic Bay Freeport. Ayan. Sa traffic discipline and sa anti-littering campaign natin, mahigpit masyado. Pero it's for everybody's good naman, di ba? It's for everybody's safety. Okay? So, thank you, Lasal. Maraming salamat. Lasal College of Antipolo. Alright. One thing I realized, mukha nga yatang totoo yung narinig ko, bawal ang polo sa Antipolo. Kasi lahat kayo naka-t-shirt eh. So, lahat na nakikinig, pag pupunta kayo sa Antipolo, bawal mag-polo. The joke lang. Ako lang ba nagsabi ng joke na yun?
Yes po, ikaw
sige,
lang.
papapatent ko ha. Sa akin nyo lang narinig eh. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Ay, sayang ka
And
na,
enjoy Subic. Alright. Thank you. Sige po.
Thank you po.
Alright, we will go back to the next requested Friday Rewind song. It looks like everybody's in a dancey mood ngayon ha, dahil yung mga request sa akin na Friday Rewind songs, puro dancey songs. Okay, here's another one, music coming from Sibyl. This one's from 1990 and this is called Make It Easy on Me. 895 Subic Bay Radio.